What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Ruined Crafty Corn from Poppy Playtime. Now with this character we want to tilt the head down towards the right, so our eyes are going to be shifted. So let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start with a circle, starting from the top, come all the way around, and then back up. Let's move over towards the right and step down and draw the same size circle. Let's add a thick bevel on the bottom right side of the eyes, starting on the left. Come across and then bend that up. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll fill the top of the eyes in black. Now in between the eyes along the bottom, we're going to add a curve for the nose. We're going to go up and then bend that down. Let's step in, draw two short angled lines coming in for the nostrils. Let's move down again and add a curve for the mouth. We're going to start on the left, come down underneath the nose, and then bend that across. Now over on the left side, we're going to round up the mouth, come down and then in. Let's add some fluff coming out from the mouth. We're going to come around and then in, step back, add another curve, going all the way around and then up. Let's go back to the top, step down, curve this up and then down, add one small curve going in between. Let's go back to the right side of the mouth, just going to round this out, come all the way down towards the bottom. Now we want to tuck that in behind that fluff. Let's add an oval along the bottom of the mouth, going all the way around, and then up, and then in the center, we're going to draw a seam coming down at an angle. Now we're going to trace the mouth along the outside. Let's start from the left, going all the way around, and just pull that in, go down to the bottom, trace the mouth, go all the way around the outside, come up on the right, and then bend that in. Let's go back up to the top and add in the hair. We're going to start with a curve in the center, coming down and then up. Let's add another curve. We're going to step down, come around the side, and we're going to bend that in towards the middle. And we'll close off the top with a curve, coming down and up across the bottom of the horn. Let's go back to the cheeks and close off the side of the head. We're going to step out, bend this up, and then in underneath the hair. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to bend the horn, going up and then in towards the center point. And we'll add some seams going across, starting from the bottom, bend this across and out, step up. Just going to add two more. Now I want to place the ears along the side of the head. Start from the side of the hair, start by going out and then bend that up towards the tip. Go to the left side, just going to round up the tip of the ear, come all the way down and then in towards the side of the head. Now on the right side, we're going to come all the way around and then in. Now we're going to add some fluff on top. Just going to curve this around, step out and draw that again. Let's go back up to the top, curve this around and in, step up, come in towards the head. Let's trace the ears along the inside. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left, then it's out and then down towards the hip, come down towards the same height on the right. Let's bend the legs, coming in and then down towards the bottom. Close off the bottom with a curve. Now let's go back up to the hips. We're going to round up the leg, going out and then down towards the side. And we'll see the bottom of the feet. So let's start back on the left. We're going to draw an oval, coming down at an angle, and then back up towards the top. From the bottom of the legs, then it's in and then up. Let's add a seam across the ankle. So we're going to step in, Follow the same curve, coming all the way around towards the bottom. And then along the bottom of the feet, we're going to add a curve for a seam. Now going back up to the top of the body, we're going to tuck the arms in behind the legs. So we're going to step out, it's going to go out and then down. Let's add that flower medallion in the center of the body. We're going to start with a circle in the center. And then along the top, let's add a small half circle. And we continue to add these half circles going all the way around. We're going to add 5 in total. Let's add a thick zipper in the center going in behind, so 2 lines on either side. And then on the left side of the body, we're going to add a tear, adding a series of these little curves going all the way around. Now let's draw the tail coming out from the left side. We're going to start from the side of the arm, that's out and then up, round out the tail, and then bend that back in. Let's fold the bottom of the tail underneath. And then sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw ruined crafty corn from the smiling critters. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.